Welcome, it's me Oluwatunseyi on your favorite and healthy kitchen. On this channel I make quick and easy to make homemade recipes for your healthy consumption. If that's what you enjoy doing, or if that sounds interesting to you, kindly subscribe and click the notification bell next to the subscribe button so that once I upload a video you will be notified. You're welcome to another episode of Smoothies and Juices. In the previous episodes, we made a fantastic and mouth-watering recipe of mango smoothie. And then the second was orange juice. And we highlighted some of the health benefits of orange juice. Today is the third episode and we'll be making carrot juice. We're going to be talking about the benefits of carrot juice and how it relates to you having a glowing skin and a healthy heart. These are the carrots freshly bought from the market. So you will need to wash the carrots with vinegar. If you don't have vinegar, you can use salt. Then scrape or peel the skin where necessary. You will need to clean and wash your carrots properly because you will not cook or heat it up by any means. It will be consumed raw after juicing. So these are the carrots after peeling and washing. The next is to start juicing. You can achieve this with two methods. Firstly, you can use a juice extractor, and secondly, you can use a blender. But while blending, you will have to add some water, and after blending, you will sieve. By this method, you can reduce the waste or the pulp that will be left after the extraction. As you can see, I'm using the juice extractor. This method is faster and stress-free. The pulp you're going to get from it can be added to your cake, and it can be added to some of your recipes. Now let's move on to talk about the benefits of carrot juice. If you want your heart to be healthy, free from bad cholesterol, carrot juice is one thing you can consider. When you take carrot juice, you afford yourself the privilege of keeping your heart healthy. Carrot juice is a good source of potassium. Hence, the carrot juice helps to regulate blood pressure and prevent stroke. For emphasis, carrot juice contains potassium, which helps to eliminate bad cholesterol and lowers blood pressure, thereby keeping cardiovascular diseases away. Also, for the skin, is an anti-aging juice. Carrot juice gives you a glowing skin. It contains vitamin C and E, and even the beta carotene protects the skin from any harshness from sun rays. Carrot juice is going to help your skin to glow, and also remember, it contains vitamin C, it contains vitamin E. It improves the way you look, giving you a younger look. The presence of vitamin C in carrot juice reduces the appearance of wrinkles. It has anti-inflammatory properties, thereby revitalizing your skin. There are other benefits of carrot juice, which I'm just going to highlight. For weight loss, it is very good. Carrot juice helps to increase metabolism in the body. It is also good for detoxification. So if you are looking for detox drink, yes, carrot juice is what you will want to consider. Carrot juice is very good for the total men's health and women's health. How can we talk about carrot juice without mentioning the importance of carrot juice because it contains vitamin A. For your eyes, you know, carrot juice contains what we call beta carotene, which is converted to vitamin A to give your eye health a boost. It gives you good vision.
Ginger, on the other hand, is rich in antioxidants. Ginger has anti-inflammatory properties, therefore it strengthens the immune system by giving it a boost. It also boosts the skin and heart health.
For this drink to be kids friendly, you will need to have the ginger. You will not use as much ginger as an adult will. And for this carrot juice, I'm going to add ginger. Just a piece of ginger is okay, about 2 inches long, just a root, just the one that is moderate. If you're giving kids, you may have to half it so that it doesn't become too hot or spicy for kids.
If you are allergic to carrots or ginger, kindly avoid the intake of the juice and consult your doctor before you take any juice that may stimulate an allergy. After the whole extraction is done, try to stir the whole juice all together so that the ginger juice and flavor can be fully blended equally in the carrot juice. I present the carrot juice for your glowing skin and healthy heart. Wow, look at it. It's looking so inviting and colorful. Thanks for watching. If you are new to my channel, you're welcome. Don't forget to say hello to me on the subscribe button. Just click it and you are in for healthy meals and kitchen hacks from me. And for my in-house subscribers, thanks for always watching my videos. Till I bring your way another interesting recipe, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye.